looks really cold outside. I'm happy to be in here. Poor Ted. The sad part is a guy just went by with a snowblower. He just kind of pushed it down the street. You could hear it coming. But I can only imagine what he was going to charge to blow snow. That's okay. We only get snow like this once every couple of years. It's good for him. Builds character. Easy for me to say on the side. Now our neighbors across the street over there, they're in Australia this week. Australia and then New Zealand for their 47th wedding anniversary. They're missing the biggest snow. But, you know, New Zealand or record snow, I'm going to take New Zealand. Wish Tyler was a little bit older to appreciate this, but that's okay. We'll get another one time soon. And I don't want him to grow up too fast. Oh, that was lovely. So glad his snowboard gear is going to good use. Guess this is what happens when you get older and own a house. You don't get to have fun anymore. Instead, you have to use your fun clothes to go work. He has no gloves on. He took his coat off. I guess he's breaking a sweat. He won't even look at me. It's probably like, really, hon? Put the damn camera away. So glad we finally have a home. And yesterday we sat by the fireplace and we had stew and spent the day watching the snow, and all I ever wanted. Best Christmas, even if it's not Christmas yet. And the best gift is upstairs. Love our little guy. We're so lucky. So much to be thankful for this year. All right, let me go check on the little guy. We'll see progress later.